Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So recently Microsoft launched KB5020695, this update. So this is not installing some systems and users. So how to install? I have a solution. So click to start button, type CMD, and guys right click to run as administrator, and then click yes. This process actually write CMD to administrator. Okay, then guys this command I all command in link in description, so you type and otherwise you copy and paste. Okay, right click, copy. Sometimes is not copy paste, you can type normal simple you can type. Okay, this command all you have around 20 minutes in give because have percentage and scan some folders. Okay, and one by one, just one, second and third and fourth also. Okay, then close. Then guys again click to start button, go to setting, scroll down in systems, scroll down, troubleshoot, other troubleshoot, Windows update troubleshoot run. Okay, so please wait few minutes. When has finished, then close. Okay, then I am giving you next solutions. Okay, next solution it is guys, you can click to start button, type service. Okay, this is service icon, like setting icon, this is service icon. Okay, and then run as administrator. Scroll down, press W for Windows, and again scroll down, Windows. So this service, double click to select automatic. Okay, and then OK. Then guys select Windows update and look at here restart. So please click to restart. Okay, next solution it is guys, you can using some antivirus. So right click to block, because sometime some antivirus is blocking Windows updates, that's why it's not install your update. Okay, though, so firewall off and all, this is actually Windows security, so this is not blocking any Windows update. Okay, so you step by step. I already off. Okay, so you any third party like NVE, Scan, McAfee and Quick Kill, any other using, you just temporary ways you can disable. And next and last and final, this KB not installing, that is you can search on Google and manually install. Search on Google catalog, I will give in description, so you copy and paste Microsoft catalog. Okay, so when Microsoft launching any update, so the, find out this platform KB5020695. Okay, then search. I want to find out how to install and which one want to install. So this is look at .NET framework 3.5, 4.8, 4.8. This is latest. Okay, and this is ARM64. So only for this is 11 and 64-bit. Click to download and click to this link. Now automatically it's downloading. This is actually setup downloading. Okay, then click to open, and then open. Now this is finally searching, update and installing, and this is depending about your systems. If your configuration is very high, so this is very installing very fast. If your system is low, means under the 8 GB RAM and under the i3 processors, no have a graphic card, so that means normal slow. Okay, so I was check update because the testing already installed, and I install this way, catalog download, and okay, means not installing, that's why I make video. Okay, bye bye, take care, have any issues so please comment me. I have a WhatsApp number in the banner, you can WhatsApp me have any issues. Okay, I will quick support. Okay, bye bye, take care.